Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming platform, version, and region so you avoid false leads. Next, enable map overlays and proximity alerts to catch brief spawns. Do this now. Join one active community channel where sightings get posted instantly. Once those basics are active, open your scanner and set filters for Hazmat Panda signatures. This reduces noise. You'll be collecting short bursts of data, so stay ready to move fast and record timestamps for every promising ping. You now analyze signature patterns, look for repeatable spawn windows and distinct behavioral cues. Compare reports from at least 2 independent observers to triangulate position. This sharply reduces search area. Once you have a probable zone, tighten your search radius and prioritize locations with historical activity. Use stealth and short sweeps rather than wide random sweeps. This conserves time and preserves spawns. If you spot inconsistencies, mark them and cross-check timestamps before committing resources to a single location. You execute the intercept. Position where the target's route converges and set a backup exit in case things change. Move in short, decisive bursts, engage only during confirmed windows and capture evidence quickly, then withdraw. Once secured, log location, time, and any anomalies for future runs. If the Hazmat Panda vanishes or you get false pings, reset filters, resync with community channels, and retriangulate. This usually fixes data drift. Keep calm, iterate, and you'll tighten your success rate over time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.